get. It's not giveaway. Let's take one more check. Hey, what's up, guys? Your favorite ZayanWaseem here, and did you know what we are gonna be doing today? It's not good. Let's take one more take and add some little bit of spice. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Your favorite ZayanWaseem here, and did you know what we are gonna be doing today? No, because I just not tell you yet. I'm gonna be telling you now, but these glasses are a little disgusting. Aren't they? So we are gonna be just today learning Adobe Premiere Pro Basics Part 1. Yes. But I've already made a Part 1. You should be thinking, I know, right? But that was just an add-on, you can say. Like, I just taught how to use here. We are just starting a new series about Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is the Part 1. Alright, and let's get into our computer screen. We're going to be going to our computer screen. Let's go. Whoa, okay. Now, let's get into it. So here we are on our computer screen, and now I'm going to be showing you that how to use Adobe Premiere Pro Basics. Okay, let's open our Adobe Premiere Pro. First of all, obviously you have to open your Adobe Premiere Pro like I have opened now. And here, this is the main interface to create a new project. Here's a new project option. If you have to make a new project, so you have to click on this new project option. Like I have clicked on it. Okay, now you can name whatever you want, but I'm naming it like Basics of Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, antivirus. Oh, sorry. Premiere Pro. Okay, and okay, you have to press on OK. Project already exists, so we are gonna be overwrite it. Okay, so this is the main interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, if you want to import something, so you can also import from this box. You have to right click on it, and here's the import option. You can import from here also, but there's another way. You can go to the file option, and from here you can import your clips. So I have some clips, so we're gonna be importing them. Okay, wait a minute. Like these are some clips, like just let's import them. Okay, these are not enough for me. Now these clips are now imported in your library, you can say, and now you have to, if you want, we have to like just import them in our timeline. You can see this here is written drop media, here you create sequence, so we have to create a sequence. So you have to drag one of your clip, like let's deselect it, and drop it on your timeline. Okay, and here is your clip. Let me play this. Okay, you can see here is this clip. Okay, now second we are gonna be adding our second clip like the same way, but this time we're gonna be like dragging it like at this place. Okay, this clip is also now imported. Okay, this is like not so smooth because we have to first render it, but we will render it like later. Okay, but these clips are not enough for me. I'm gonna be importing some more clips. Like let's import. Okay, I have some more clips here. Let's import them too. With these two clips I have. Okay, let's drag it and like drop it right. Oh, sorry. Like these both are now imported. We have first deselected and then we have to import a clip. Okay, now we have this clip also. Wait a minute, let me just check my laptop performance from this acer nitro app, and let me just include it. Premiere Pro software is like so heavy that my laptop is now just like heating up, so I'm gonna be fixing it. Wait a minute. Okay, max. Don't mind this fan, like is this fan sound disturbing you, so please don't mind. I'm sorry for that, but I have to do that. These are the clips. Okay. Now these are the clips, but these are like boring. They don't have any sound or anything, like yeah, right. But wait a minute. Let me just add a audio. Okay. Okay. So audio. Sorry. I have to add a audio output. Yes. Here I have like this. Okay, now let's close it. And now here we are gonna be just adding some music to it. So for adding a music, we have to again click on import. You can also import from the file option, right? Okay, let's click on import. Okay, now you can hear my voice clearly, right? Now here I have a music like no copyright. So lofi type beat music, we're gonna be adding it. I know that not matches the clips, but this is a no copyright music, and it's hard to find the no copyright music. If you want to import the audio, the symbol of it will be like this. But if you want to see it like a document form, you have to click on this, and like it will be like this, or you can click on this just like this. That we like. I like that. I like this. Okay. Now you have to drag it, but make sure this is below your curve. When you drag it, it should be below your curve. Okay. Now when you will play, it's like there's no sound here because we have to now trim it. If you want to trim something, you have to like you can just press Control or Command plus K on your keyboard. Oh, sorry. First of all, you have to collect your audio, and then Control or Command plus K. And now you can now from the selection tool, you can now select the clips, and now you can delete it, and it will be like this. But we have to now drag and like drop it here, but there's another way. If you want to undo something, press Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z. Now we are going to be doing that. This is now like we have this press Ctrl or Command K between it, and it has make a cut between both clips. So we have to delete this part. Okay, we have to right click on it, and then there's no option of ripple. Why is there no option? Oh, there's no option for audios in Ripple edit tool, but like if you want to delete this clip, so you can double click it. Okay, so now let's just delete it and drag and drop it. Okay, now when we will play it, like yes, it's like nice. Okay, so this is the main part that you can trim or anything you can like do. Now let me introduce you these clips, like these tools. Okay, this is the selection tool, and for this tool we will talk in a part 2 because it's not like so necessary. And this is a ripple edit tool. If you will like delete something right here, so it will automatically like your it will automatically stick like those both clip. Okay, let's control that. And this razor tool, it will make like you have to make a cut between them. You can use razor tool, or you can also press Control or Command plus K. Okay, and for this tool also we are going to be talking about our part 2 because it's not like so necessary. This pen tool, we can like make some like you can say mask. We can make mask with this tool, but in detail we're gonna be like talking about it in our, I think, part 3. I'm gonna be making a individual video for that, so you can understand it better. And hand tool is used to move your clip. Like if you have like zoomed it so much, sorry, like zoomed it, so you can like move it, like okay, this is about that. And this text tool, you can add like obviously you can add like dragon, and you can now add text on it, like whatever you want. Okay, these are the tools. Okay, and these tabs are also here, and we are going to be discussing it all about it in a part 2, but this video is only basics. Like, so I think I've tell you all the basics, and that is only for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please like this video, subscribe my channel, and hopefully you should like this video. And please like this video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.